Imagine you are handed a single seedling and you are told to plant this seedling. You eagerly await the moment when it will bear fruit, a symbol of life. However, as the days turn into weeks and weeks into months, you find yourself immersed in a profound lesson in patience. And finally, after 4 months, it produces a single fruit. Now imagine you had billions of populations to feed. You would have to grow at least 1 billion of this plant and still wait at least 4 months for it just to produce 1 fruit per person. Slow growth rate of plants is one of the factors contributing to food crisis happening all around the globe, including Malaysia.
Now one might say that chemical fertilizers could help with this problem. However, chemical fertilizers do have their own downside. It can be easily washed away by water and can cause environmental pollution. It can also be harmful to us humans who may consume these chemicals. So now, the real question is, how do we optimize the growth rate of our plants?
Coffee, the next best organic fertilizer.
Stage 1. The germination period. 5 tomato plants were left to germinate and grow for 4 weeks. The purpose of this was to make sure the root had strengthened. The 5 plants were labeled respectively as water, fertilizer, 0.1%, 1%, and 5% caffeine concentration.
Stage 2. Preparing the caffeine concentration. To prepare the caffeine concentration, the weight of a volume formula was used. The concentration were also tested using a caffeine concentration tester.
Stage 3. 30-day observation period. After the germination period, the plants were watered with their respective solution for a period of 30 days. Based on previous researches, caffeine is known to make soil become dry. Thus, the plants which were watered with caffeine concentration were also watered with a little bit of water. The observation was taken twice a week and were recorded. Here's a look at some before and after pictures.
The growth rate of these plants were measured through the total height and total branches growth. Here is a chart to represent the total height growth. As we can see, the 0.1% plant grew the most with a total of 79 cm.
And here's the charts for the total branches grown. Again, 0.1% grew the most branches with a total of 15 branches.
Now, let's talk about the potential commercialization of this project. Firstly, sustainable waste management partnerships. Coffee shops and other establishments that generate coffee grounds can become potential partners for sourcing caffeine-rich organic material. Establishing partnership for waste collection and repurposing can create a sustainable supply chain for caffeine-based fertilizer. Secondly, product development and formulations. Research and development efforts can focus on formulating caffeine-based fertilizer with optimized nutrient composition and application methods. These can involve blending coffee grounds with other organic materials or nutrient sources to create balanced and effective organic fertilizer formulations.
But how does all of this benefit us? Firstly, caffeine is organic and environmentally friendly. By using caffeine as a fertilizer, we are opting for a more organic and environmentally friendly approach, thus minimizing the use of synthetic chemicals that may harm the soil or water. Secondly, we can reduce chemical exposure. Chemical fertilizers often contain synthetic compounds that can have negative effects on human health. By utilizing caffeine as an organic fertilizer, we are promoting a safer and healthier environment for all. It can also be economically beneficial for local communities. Utilizing locally available resources, such as caffeine, can create opportunities for waste management and recycling initiatives, while also supporting local businesses and promoting a circular economy. Lastly, we can help achieve the second SDG, which is to end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture.